The book that we're going to read today is The Big Sneeze by Ruth Brown. What do you think that this story is about by looking at the cover of the book?
Birds in a farm.
That's a good guess. Let's find out. One hot afternoon, the farmer and his animals were dozing in the barn. The only sound was the buzz buzz of a lady fly. Suddenly, the buzzing stopped. The fly had landed right on the end of the farmer's nose. Achoo! The farmer sneezed so hard that the fly was blown high into a spider web. This disturbed the spider, who captured the fly, which alerted the sparrow, who chased the spider. This awakened the cat, who leaped at the bird, which woke the dog and frightened the rats, who fled from the barn chased by the dog, which scattered the startled hens from their roost, and panicked the terrified donkey. "What on earth have you done?" shrieked the farmer's wife. "Nothing, my dear," replied the farmer. "I only sneezed." The